Okay guys, so I made it to the top and then some. This is the entrance to the Ken Burton Trail. I just went a little bit in it to see if it was still maintained, and it looks fine. Doesn't look too bad. I won't go all the way down it for a while, but at least this stuff is still single track. And I often go into this first part just to the Ken Burton Monument. You guys know what I'm talking about, and gives you this little extra credit of single track here. Nothing to write home about, but it is nice to be on single track instead of double track and a trail that's got blown out and whitewashed. So, which you will see once we get back to the regular upper Brown Mountain Road. They bulldozed that whole thing out. It's you'll see, but it's completely whitewashed to the point where there's no technical little fun sections. It's marginalized. So remember how much grass and all this stuff was up here? It's nice they made a clearing up here. I like that, because you can have a little party up here. But remember how this was two single tracks here? And then this was a single track a little bit, kind of overgrown in between. Sorry, I forgot my little neoprene cover for my GoPro. Hopefully it's not too windy sounding. It sounds windy to me though. They whitewashed these jumps, so I didn't see any of the jumps left. They used to be in here. They whitewashed all the rough stuff, kind of pushed it to the side, I guess. What makes this nice though, I'll tell you the advantages. Always see the glass half full, right? What makes this nice is it'll be perfect for night rides. It was a little bit sketch on night rides because there's some exposed areas that are pretty narrow, and you hate to be up here at night and fall off the side. So like this used to be real narrow up here somewhere. I can't even remember. It looks different. The biggest thing to be leery of, I guess, is not to get too much confidence, because it is loose. You guys, this is why we have great beaches in California, because it's all this decomposed granite. So this gets super dry and super loose in the summer, and so it's okay now, but give us 3 or 4 months with no rain in our hot, dry weather, and it'll be like kitty litter up here, I can imagine. That's one thing about that single track stuff that they made, or I mean, when they didn't bulldoze it, it let a top surface kind of build over it. It was this kind of dirt right here. So anyway, you're good. So you guys remember the snow ride I did? This was all covered in snow, and I had to duck under a big bush right here. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.